Hello, guys, very good day. I hope you all are doing well today. Welcome to Knowledge Power. Today, we are going to show you how you can protect your profile, Facebook profile, from others who are not your friends. They cannot see your complete profile and details and posts. First of all, you need to go to your Facebook, click on that, and now you can see on the right hand side top there is your profile. When you click on that, scroll down and then you can see setting and privacy. When you click on setting and privacy, again you're gonna see there is an option for privacy center. Click on that option and now you need to scroll down, and then you can see review settings. Click on that and then you can see manage audience setting. When you click on this option, there is an option to lock your profile. You need to click on that and then you can see you can protect your post and photos from people who are not your friends on Facebook. All you need to do, click on that button, and now only your friends will see your past and future photos, posts and stories on your profile. Only friends will see your full resolution profile picture and the cover photo. Plus, people still be able to search you if they want to send you a friend request. I hope you find this video good for you. You just need to save it, and now your profile is locked. So, thank you very much and have a great day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.